Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem Monopoly Go rewards codes. First thing you're gonna do is make sure you're either on the Monopoly Go app or you're on the Monopoly Go website as I am on right now. And also make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after that, you're gonna have to scroll down to the bottom until you see this where it says reward codes. So you see here, this is where you can enter the code, or alternatively, you can click this panel on the left hand side. It's going to take you here. This is where you enter the code. So type it in, enter the code, and once you do so, you're going to have to click the green go button. It will take you to this page right here, and then you can collect your reward. Depending on the codes, you can have different rewards. And one really neat thing is that you could redeem codes infinitely and keep gathering and accumulating points after points.